Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to make ribbon flower. So let's start the video. We need satin ribbon, thread, needle, measurement tape and scissor. We need 8 inches ribbon to make this flower, so we are going to cut it. This is one of my favorite craft because it's really quick and it comes out really cute. I really love these tiny cute flowers and I hope you guys are going to like this too. Follow this process of folding. It's really simple and easy. I'm sure you guys can do that. And give me your feedback in comment section. You can also make a request for tutorials. Just DM me on Instagram. I will make a video over every request. Flower is ready. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please let me know in comment section what do you think about this video, and you can DM me on Instagram for more tutorial requests. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.